Hello everyone, I'm Mandila Pratama, a 6th semester management student. This video is created to fulfill the assignment for the computer application course taught by Mr. Sudong Simatupang. Today I'm going to give you a complete tutorial on how to use Mendeley for automatic citation, so let's get straight to it. As you can see, I have already prepared several types of reference source that we commonly use in our management assignment journal article, both international and CINTA accredited. Conference proceeding, there's our dissertation and also ebook in PDF format. Now we are going to migrate this file into Mendeley so we can manage their metadata. Next, I will demonstrate how to add this file to Mendeley automatically, but we'll do it one by one to ensure the accuracy of the data. I'm going to show you the standard way to add journal reference using the Add Files menu. This method is highly recommended so we can select our files more precisely. First step, click the Add or Add New button at the top left corner of the Mendeley app. Then select the app's files option. Once the files browser windows appears, I will pick them one by one. For the first one, I will select a CINTA journal file, click the file and then click the open. Alright, the file is now in our list. Now let's check the details in the right hand panel. Even though we added it automatically via Add Files, we still need to verify the data carefully. Type, make sure journal article is selected, title and author. Double check the journal name. Publication year, volume and issue number. Remember, friends or a query at this stage will determine how neat our bibliography will be in Microsoft Word later. Now for the other two journal, whether it's an international journal or another national one, the steps are exactly the same. We still use the Add Files feature and perform the same metadata check. So I will just show you the quick process here. Okay, now all three of our journal are ready in the library. Now that the journal are set, let's move the next file, the conference proceeding, or what we usually call seminar proceeding. Just like before, we click Add New, select Files from Computer, and I will choose the proceeding file I have already prepared. Click Open and wait a moment for the upload process to finish. Now everyone, please pay close attention to the panel on the right. This part is absolutely crucial from proceeding. Sometimes Mendeley automatically detect this as a journal article instead of a proceeding. If that happens, we must manually change the type to conference proceeding. Why? So that the bibliography format will be correct and consistent later on. For a proceeding, make sure these elements are filled in. Title and author. Just like with journal, ensure the title and author names are accurate. Proceeding title. This is important. Don't put a journal name here. Instead, enter the name of the seminar or conference. For example, Proceeding of the International Conference on Management, year and city. Don't forget to include the year and the city where the seminar was held, if that information is available. Next, we are going to add a thesis or undergraduate dissertation as a reference. The process remains the same. Click Add New, select the file and click Open. Let's wait for the import to finish. Now let's check the column on the right. Please make sure that the select type is thesis. There is one additional column that we must pay attention to here, which is the university files. Ensure that the original university name is written in full. Don't forget to also check the year and department fields if they are available. Having complete data is very important so that our citation looks credible and the source clearly shows which institution it belongs to. Finally, we are going to add an ebook as our reference. Just like the previous step, we click Add New, select the ebook file and click Open. Let's wait for the file to appear in our library. Now, let's check the details in the right-hand panel. Make sure that the select type is book. In addition to the title and author, make sure the publisher and years files and filed in. If the information is available in the book, it's a good idea to also manually complete the city and edition files. This ensures our citation is perfect and follow proper scientific writing standards. Besides document files, we sometimes use high-quality videos from YouTube as reference. For this kind of source, we will need to add the information manually. The process is simple. Click Add New. Then select and entry manually. In the type section, change it to film or video. Next, fill in the required data. Title, enter the title of the YouTube video. Author, enter the creator's name or the channel name. Publication, type in YouTube. Year, the year the video was uploaded. URL, don't forget to copy and paste the video link into the URL file. This is important so the lecturer can verify the authenticity of the source. Now I will show you how to manually add a reference from a web page. The steps are click Add New, then select and entry manually. In the type section, make sure to select web page. The information we need to complete is title, the title of the article or the web page, author, the author's name. If there is no personal author, you can use the organization name. For example, Binus University Online. Publication or website, enter the name of the website. Year, the year the article was published. URL and access data. Paste the full link and don't forget to include the data you access the website, as online content can change over time. Finally, I'll share a special trick. What if we find a very relevant journal but it's behind a pipe wall? Don't worry, we can still get the data into Mendeley. The first method is to download only the metadata. Look for an export or cite button on the website, then choose the RIS or BIP text format. This tiny file contains all the journal's information without the actual PDF. Just add this file to Mendeley via Add Files and the data will populate automatically. But what if we still need to read the full content? You can copy the DOI of the journal and use a tool like SciHub. Once the PDF is accessible, you can download it and upload it to Mendeley using the Add Files method we discussed earlier. By combining RIS or BIP text for metadata and SciHub for the document, there's no reason to miss out on high quality reference just because of access issue. Now, what if our source is a physical book or a hard book with no PDF file available? Don't worry, Mendeley can still handle it. Here's now, click Add New, then select an entry. Manually, since it's a physical book, make sure the type is set to book. We need to manually type in the detail from the book's title page. Enter the full title of the book. Author, type the author's name. Remember, use the last name first name format. For example, Sugiarto Herlambang Teddy Brastoro and it's years 20 and 22 page 511. Publisher, the name of the publishing company, city and edition. For physical books, these two are very important. Enter the city of publication and the specific edition of the book. Even though there is no PDF icon in Mendeley, the data is now saved as a reference, so when we cite it in Word later, the format will be perfect and follow scientific standard. Next, I will demonstrate how to cite the different levels of theory for operation management. I have already prepared the codes on the screens. Let's connect them with Mendeley. In this first paragraph, we have my grand theory or management operation, J. Hazer and Barry Render. I'm citing the definition of operation management from the book by J. Hazer and Barry Render. This theory serves as the major foundation for how production activities and value creation and manage. I will select the book in Mendeley's site and click Insert Citation. Next, we move to the middle range theory. Here I am using the supply chain management theory by Sunil Chopra. This theory connects operation management with the distribution flow of goods to the customer. Again, we click Insert on the corresponding reference. Finally, we have the appellate theory. This is the practical theory that directory discussion my research variable, which is inventory management. I am referring back to Hedger and Rinder for the technical aspect regarding safety stocks and inventory efficiency. Let's click insert one last time. So, I hope this tutorial is helpful and enables everyone to produce neater and more credible academic work. Remember, attention to detail in reference management is the key to high quality research. Okay, I'm Angelia Pratama. Thank you for your attention and good luck.